All right. Hi, Miss Shreya. How are you today?
I'm good, I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm pretty well. So, yeah, waiting for this wonderful Q&A sessions. Are you guys ready? Shall we start? And other than this, is there anyone who is going to join you as a speaker, or you will be the only one?
I'll be the only one. We can start with the session.
All right. Yeah. Let me take information from the owner, and then we are good to go.
Sure, sure.
All right. I think it's time to start. So, shall we?
Yes, yes, we can start.
Okay. Yeah. Perfect. So yeah, hello everyone and welcome to today's exciting AMA session with the Sandra Word, where we will be diving deep into the future of virtual worlds, could say AI integration and the power of blockchain in like creating immersive metaverse experience. And we are thrilled to have the Desandra Watt team here to like share their vision and insights on like how they're shaping the future of the metaverse. So whether you are a gamer or a creator or just like someone who passionate about the cutting edge technology, we're something like for everyone in this discussion. So yeah, we will be discussing some of the more like most important aspects or the parameter of this wonderful project. And let's start this session and give the like warm welcome to Ms. Shreya. So yeah, Ms. Shreya, welcome here. We are glad to have you here actually. And before we start this session, could you please introduce about yourself and your crypto experience to our audience?
Sure. It is lovely to be here. I'm Shriya Shukla. I'm currently doing business management for Tricentra Wood, and I'm a crypto and blockchain expert currently. So yeah, we can probably go ahead with the questions, and I hope I could answer all of them.
Yeah, for sure. Thank you so much for such a wonderful introduction. Happy to know about you and about your experience as well. So let's jump into the main topic and talk about this project. So, Michelle, could you please let us know like what exactly is a Decentra board and please highlight like some of its standard feature to our listeners.
Sure. So Decentrawood is an AI powered metaverse platform, and it's kind of a virtual world where users can own, they can monetize their NFTs, they can play games on the Polygon blockchain using DO, which is the utility token of the platform. That's a very basic summary of what Decentrawood truly is.
All right, that's fantastic to hear. And the project sounds very promising. And before that, could you like before jump on the other basic aspects of this project? Can we know the vision of the Decentra? What is its vision and what are you aiming for?
Of course. So, our ultimate goal is to create a completely new world for the next level of virtual living. So citizens of this world will experience new ways of, let's say, socialization, communication, travel, gaming, and entertainment as a whole. So I think that is what Decentrawood is aiming at currently.
All right. Yeah, got it. Got it. Thank you so much for that answer. And listener, if you want to know more about the project, please check out their documentation, can say white paper, and a website, etc. You will get like more deeper information over there. So, moving on to the another question, Ms. Shreya, like there is a many metaverse platform emerging these days in Web3 space, and I believe like each offering something different. So, could you tell us like what set Decentrawood apart, and what like unique feature or innovation make it stand out from other metaverse projects?
Yes. So other metaverse platforms usually focus on a single feature, but Decentrawood has something for everyone. So it includes not just gaming like most metaverse platforms do, but it also includes glamour and culture as a part of it.
Mm-hmm. All right, yeah, got it. Thank you, Ashya. Actually, it's exciting to hear about the unique aspects that like make the Santa boat stand out. And I believe like the combination of the metaverse with fashion, like truly set it apart as compared to the other metaverse project. So, other than this, like AI is a kind of a popular project or popular topic nowadays in Web3 space. So, can you please let us know, like, how is like AI integrated into the Decentraland project?
Yes, so we have an AI bot which will help the users to navigate the website. And apart from that, we have understood there has been a lot of language barrier that people can have while using a website, because it's something which is available to people across different countries. So we have identified the issue of language transmission here, and therefore we're trying to solve it by using AI in Decentrawood.
All right, yeah, got it, got it. Thank you so much for that answer. And I believe like it's fascinating to hear like how AI is being integrated into the Santa world, and the way you using AI to enhance the user experience and create like more immersive and dynamic environment. That's really showcase the innovative potential of your platform, and it's exciting to see like how AI is helping to shape the future of the metaverse. And I'm sure that our listener is eager to see these feature in action. So yeah, thank you so much for that answer, Ms. Shreya. Moving ahead now, let's talk about the core feature, or the could say core thing of the project, that is it is on decentralized world. So my answer on that, like how does blockchain technology decentralize decentralized ecosystem?
Yes, so Decentrawood uses Polygon blockchain because it is one of the best when it comes to security of transactions, accountability, and transparency. We are currently also on the BNB chain and Solana blockchain, so all of these things, and we are currently also looking to expand on different blockchain platforms.
All right. Thank you for that insightful answer, and good to know that the Adi Sandra board is on Polygon chain, on BNB as well. And it's clear that blockchain is at the heart of like what makes the Sandra board truly decentralized, and the way you leveraging this technology to give like users more control and create a transparent and could say trustless environment in incredibly powerful place. So yeah, thanks for that answer, Ms. Shreya. Other than this, yeah, my question on that, my question is for you, like related to the virtual world. So, what are the main feature of the Santa World virtual world? Our listeners eagerly want to know about it.
So, coming to the features, Decentrawood has two zones. Ariba Zone represents glamour, fashion, clubbing, entertainment. All of these things are a part of Decentra Wood's glamour zone. Indus Zone is our second zone, which represents culture, religion, spirituality, faith, all of those things. And apart from Ariba and Indus zones, we have a gaming section at Decentra Wood. We have digital art, portrait, music, videos, which can be made into NFTs and can be sold on our website. We have, since we've integrated AI, as you questioned me before, you can also use AI and generate 2D images, 3D images, and convert them into NFTs on the website.
All right, that sounds pretty amazing. Thanks for that answer. And the feature you have highlighted, like really showcase like how immersive and interactive Decentra Wood virtual world is. And it's clear that Decentra Wood is like creating a next level experience for its user. So thanks for that answer. And I'm sure that our listeners excited to explore this feature and seize the possibility firsthand. So yeah, thanks for that answer. And Miss Shreya, my question for you, like fashion and glamour are often important aspects of like virtual world. So could you share like how Decentra would incorporate these elements into its virtual environment, and what kind of fashion and glamour experiences can users expect to see and engage with the platform?
Yes. So, related to fashion and glamour, what users can do is that they can create events related to glamour, like hosting club parties, discussion sessions, dating events, marriage events, casinos, etc. All of these things can be organized. You can make your own avatars, create your own avatars, customize it to your liking, the clothes they wear, how they look. All of these elements of fashion and glamour can be incorporated in decent travel.
All right, yeah, that's fantastic. And the VD Santa would blend fashion and glamour into the virtual experience. Adds such a unique and stylish touch, and it's exciting to hear like how user will have the opportunity to express themselves in creative way and explore fashion in a like completely immersive environment. So yeah, thanks for that answer. Moving on to the another question, Ms. Shreya. Like culture diversity plays a significant role in creating rich virtual experiences, I believe. So could you share with us like how Decenter would incorporates various cultural theme or traditions into its design and aesthetic, and yeah, what cultural influence have shaped the look and the feel of your virtual world?
Yes, so regarding the cultural themes, we have tried to keep an open culture in the inner zone. We have multiple temples, churches, mosques, Buddhist monasteries, etc., to make it very inclusive. We have tried to maintain the aesthetic and design of such ancient architectural places, and we are making sure that we do full justice when we create 3D models of all of the structures that we have even deployed, and the structures that we're going to deploy. We're trying to maintain as much the correct aesthetics as much as we can.
All right, yeah, and it's truly inspiring to see like how the Santa Word incorporates such a wide range of cultural theme and tradition into the virtual world. And as we mentioned, like it is the place for every culture, like Buddhism and Christian and many more. So good to know about it. Thanks for that answer, and exciting to think like how these elements will resonate with your global experience. So yeah, thanks for that answer. And let's talk about the gaming part. Like gaming is a key part of like many virtual world. So could you share more about the gaming feature within the Desanta board, and what types of gaming experience can user look forward to, and how do they enhance the overall experience in your virtual world?
Okay. I think there is. Some sort of lagging. Okay, can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you. Can I repeat my question?
No, no, no. I heard the first part. I think it's something to gaming, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. So, coming to games in Decentrawood, we have a very important shooting game, Nexus. We have Lord of Space, which is a space-related game. Then we have Bhairava the Savior. These are some of the prominent games that we have. You can also play these games on VR, which is the VR headset that we use. And apart from that, we also have classic games like Ludo, Poker, Roulette, Mystical Maze, all of these games. So there are many games. If you just go to Decentrawood's website, you can see at least 20 games must have been deployed by now. So all of them which have you can very easily access and play on your laptops and your mobile phones. So yeah, that's about the gaming part of Decentrawood.
All right, yeah, good to know about the gaming aspect of the Santa board. And I have another follow-up question related to the gaming. Is there reward for the players as well?
In Nexus, we are trying to bring reward system. We are trying to bring a level 2 and level 3. Apart from that, a few of the games can have point system primarily. But reward systems is something that we're currently working on our top three games, which is Nexus, Lord of Space, and Bhairava the Savior.
All right, yeah, got it. Thank you so much for the clarification. So now, Ms. Shreya, I have last question for you before wrapping up this wonderful Q&A session. So in this question, let's talk about the token. I mean, the DO token is an like important part of Decentrawood ecosystem. So could you tell us which exchanges DO is currently listed on, and are there any upcoming plans for further exchange listing?
Yes, so our token is currently listed on Bitmart and MEXC Global, and you can swap Diode using QuickSwap, Trust Wallet, Token Pocket, and PancakeSwap. All of these places. Yes, of course, we're looking to be listed on multiple exchanges and also to expand on that idea. But currently, this is what where we are, where you can find us.
All right, yeah, got it. And thank you so much for the answer and looking forward for more listing. All the very best from our side. And guys, yeah, be the part of this project. Buy the Rio token from MEXC and other exchanges as well. You can find more update about the listing plans on the Gsanta Wood X handle and in our Telegram, in their Telegram as well. So yeah, please do so. And I think we covered the all the like points of the Santa Wood. So it's time to wrapping up. So thank you so much, Ms. Shreya, for taking the time to share your insights on the Santa Word with us today. And the combination of cutting edge technology, AI integration, blockchain decentralization, and the creative incorporation of fashion, culture, and gaming truly set a decent word apart. And it's clear that your vision for the future of the metaverse is both exciting and innovative. And truly, we can't wait to see how it continues to evolve. So yeah, all the very best from our side. And before wrapping up, do you, Ms. Shai, do you want to say something to our community or offer as a closing statement?
Yes. So as you all know that we have been listed on Bitmart and MEXC, and also you can swap it on other platforms. I would like to request people if they wish to go and check our website, check our features, go and buy Diode, which is our native token. It would be great. Thank you so much, Lovely. You've been a fantastic host, and I hope to come back soon with multiple announcements as well.
Absolutely. We're looking forward. And thank you so much, Michelle, for your valuable time and for these concise answer. And until next time, stay curious, guys, and keep exploring the future of digital world. See you next time. Have a great day. Bye bye, Michelle.
Bye. Thank you so much.
Thank you.